What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another tongue brushing video. I just got back from dinner. My tongue looks gnarly. So, let's brush. Let's brush this sucker. Now, I've come to figure out why my tongue is always yellow. And I was working on fixing it. And my little, whatever I'm doing is working. Brushing is helping. Always a help. But I've been doing a mouth rinse of an antibiotic. I don't know what happened and how it happened. I think it's because I'm allergic to, I hope it's not because I'm allergic to this tap water. But I've never had this happen to me in my life. That's what made me start my tongue brushing videos, because I was like, why is my tongue this color? But since I moved into this house, this has been going on and it's only getting worse. And I cannot drink the tap water in this house, in this whole city, period. I can drink my water from my refrigerator because it has the filter on it. But if I just drink it straight up out of the tap, I get this crazy, you see this? I get a rash on the side of my mouth. My lips, corner of my mouth splits, and it's always on this side. I don't know what that's about. And so I wonder, I'm like, maybe my tongue is turning yellow because there's something wrong with this water and I'm still drinking it even though I'm using the filter on the refrigerator. Maybe that's doing it. I don't know, because I didn't have this problem until I moved into this house. But who knows? I don't know. So I'm just gonna work on fixing it, and then once it's fixed, if it starts back, then that's something to really look into. Yeah, but I'm the only person in my house that has problems with the water. But I'm the only one that's like hypersensitive too. I think my daughter too, though. I think hers is showing up by the way of like eczema or something, because she doesn't drink the water, but when she takes a bath, she likes to drink the water. And after she does that, she always get like a eczema looking rash on her arm. But that's neither here nor there. Let's brush this gnarly looking tongue. And it looks kind of funky because of the way I've been brushing it and cleaning it. I didn't tell y'all, one day I actually took a shaving stick to my tongue because I was like, I feel like the papillae on my tongue are getting too long, and that's why they're trapping bacteria. I shaved my tongue, you guys, because I didn't want them to be so long. And I think that helped, along with the antibiotic. I had clear an antibiotic liquid. I've been swishing it in my mouth. Also, I had an antifungal, just in case, because I'm crazy. If I think anything is wrong with me, I will try everything. The antifungal did nothing. One day of the antibiotic and boom, no more yellow tongue. But my tongue still looks funky because of all the hurt I've been putting it through. But anyways, the tongue brushing videos will never stop. And part of me feels like also this could have started because I had stopped brushing my tongue. Y'all, I got so lazy. You know, your mama always tells you, go in there, brush your teeth and brush your tongue. And I went so long, I work a lot. I work like 6 days a week and I'm always tired. So I got to the point where I was brushing my teeth, but I was skipping over my tongue. I'm like, maybe that caused it. You know, and I used to smoke and I don't anymore. Anyways, but let's clean. I'm gonna try not to gag. I know that I might, because toothpaste makes me want to gag. I just ate. I really don't want to gag. All right, tongue, not teeth. Look, and I took my tongue ring out too because I read that somewhere tongue rings could be causing that too. I might put it back in just right now. goes the tear. I'm trying my best not to get. I swear my tongue, it looks so much better. I swear it looks almost normal. Whatever I did, please don't let it happen again. Like, whatever it causes, please don't let it happen again. Starting to look normal. That's bad. It does something to your self-esteem to have a gnarly looking tongue. Like, ew. And I'm doing this very gently. Oh my God, I just freaking barfed. Which I didn't want to do. I knew toothpaste gags the hell out of me. I was trying not to ever do that. But I have a full stomach. That is disgusting. Oh well, it's life. Oh my God. My tongue looks so good. It looks so amazing. Oh my God. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Ugh, even though I'm looking at my sushi at the sink. Ew. Okay, it's gone now. A little bit of seaweed. Yay. Not a weird, funky color. I'm so happy. Okay. You don't know how thrilled I am. Yeah. I thought I was trapped with that tongue. All right, till next time, you guys, and I will try not to barf. Oh my gosh, how embarrassing. Bye.